Welcome to Buildcraft. In this video, we build a traditional Chinese-style wooden house. An excavator swiftly clears the land, leveling the ground to create a pristine canvas for our architectural masterpiece. The first crucial step is laying a solid foundation. Precision isn't just a goal here. It's the very foundation of this traditional craft. Every log is carefully shaped and marked, guiding the precise cuts needed for each unique joint. With powerful chainsaws and sharp chisels, the carpenters carve out the intricate mortises and tenons. Concrete blocks are precisely positioned on a prepared slab, serving as stable pedestals that elevate the structure, allowing for proper ventilation and protecting the timber from moisture. But what truly sets this build apart is the ingenious mortise and tenon joinery. Instead of relying on modern screws and nails, skilled hands custom fit each joint, ensuring they interlock perfectly like a complex puzzle. This traditional method creates an incredibly strong mechanical connection, resisting pulling and twisting forces with remarkable durability. Large pre-assembled wooden sections are then carefully lifted and guided into place, forming the impressive multi-level framework. This meticulous attention to detail is vital during the framing stage, as the assembled wooden skeleton forms the central axis and primary support for the entire house. As the wooden skeleton rises, the intricate roof structure begins to take shape. Sturdy roof beams are meticulously installed, forming a robust lattice that will hold the underlying wooden planks. These planks, in turn, create a solid base, securing the final roofing material. With the main structure well underway, attention shifts to a beautiful, smaller adjacent wing. Just like the primary building, concrete cubes are precisely laid to form the foundation. With the help of a crane, the wooden frame for this wing is meticulously mounted onto them. The same time-honored methods are meticulously applied: well-dried and treated timber, joined using the traditional mortise and tenon technique. Additional wooden partitions are integrated, further reinforcing the stability of the frame and preparing the structure for its final finishes. The roof tiling process continues, transforming the skeletal framework into a fully protected and aesthetically rich part of the home. This traditional overlapping technique ensures a watertight seal, allowing rainwater to flow off effortlessly. Beyond the ordinary tiles, decorative verge, ridge, and hip tiles are carefully applied, adding to the aesthetic beauty. Finials placed at the roof's peak provide a unique and elegant flourish, giving the roof a professional, finished look. Back in the workshop, raw timber is transformed into the essential components of the house. Logs are fed through a bandsaw, expertly cut into planks of precise and equal size. It's crucial to remove all bark, as this is where woodworms often nest, posing a threat to the structure's integrity. Each plank is then meticulously planed and sanded to achieve a smooth, flawless surface. Precision is paramount, especially for the mortise and tenon joints, where identical dimensions ensure perfect matches. These freshly prepared wooden planks are then installed as interior walls, seamlessly dividing the expansive space into smaller, functional areas. The ground floor requires meticulous preparation. A laser line level, an indispensable tool for absolute accuracy, is used to mark precise lines for connecting beams and posts. Wooden beams are then expertly installed between the main frame, acting as the primary axis for the floor. Concrete blocks are strategically placed beneath these joists to minimize vibration. A modern touch is seamlessly integrated with tradition as a network of PEX tubing for radiant heating is carefully laid, along with electrical wires encased in protective pipes. This creates a hidden, organized utility network beneath the floor. Once this subfloor work is complete, the beautiful wooden floorboards are laid. Each plank is cut and sized precisely, fitting snugly together while leaving a tiny, controlled gap from the wall, a clever allowance for potential wood expansion due to humidity. Ascending to the second level, the same dedication to detail continues. Boards are expertly fitted into vertical supports, creating seamless and secure connections. The exposed beams of the second floor serve a dual purpose, forming both the structural support for the upper level and the aesthetically pleasing ceiling of the first. Each beam is meticulously finished, embodying the perfect blend of function and beauty. As the floor is meticulously laid, both interior and exterior partitions are simultaneously mounted. While wood forms the soul of this home, practical considerations dictate the use of concrete block construction in certain areas, particularly wet zones like restrooms. This foresight prevents humidity-related damage, ensuring the longevity of these essential spaces. Within these concrete sections, metal rebar is precisely tied to form a robust mesh, ready for the pouring and leveling of a sand-cement mixture, creating durable plastered walls. The staircase, a central artery of the home, is a marvel of engineering. The process begins by meticulously calculating the total rise and dividing it by the standard rise per step to determine the exact number of steps needed. The intricate slots for each step are carefully cut into the stringers, then refined with woodworking chisels for a perfect fit. Wooden braces are ingeniously added to connect and reinforce the two stringers, maximizing structural strength. Once the support structure is secure, the treads and risers are precisely fitted into place. For an aesthetic, modern touch, LED lighting is integrated beneath each step. An electrician installs a hidden wiring system throughout the staircase, connecting the lights to a central power distribution board, transforming the structure into a stunning focal point. Beyond functionality, safety is paramount, especially on the staircase. Handrails are meticulously installed along the open side, providing a secure, easy-to-grasp surface. Proper alignment and tight connections are essential for long-term stability and user safety. All joints are fitted with precision, contributing to a clean, high-quality finish. On the exterior, the builder crafts the elegant doors and window frames. Each frame, built with precision mortise and tenon joints, features decorative mesh infills. The measurements for this mesh are crucial for a perfect fit and an aesthetically pleasing result, ensuring a cohesive look throughout the space. As the house takes its final form, the focus shifts to meticulous finishing work. Every wooden surface is carefully smoothed using an electric sander, achieving a uniform finish free from any imperfections. Any remaining gaps in the wood are precisely filled with a custom mixed, wood-colored filler, ensuring a seamless surface. Before painting, the builder uses an air release device to clear every surface of dust. Now it's time to begin the spray painting process. A clear, colorless varnish is first applied, protecting the wood and enhancing its natural beauty. This is followed by a rich, luxurious pigment, mixed into the base coat and evenly applied with a spray machine. This protective and aesthetic treatment is applied to every detail, from the ceiling and floors to the stairs, windows, and doors, both inside and out. The exterior treatment is especially vital, providing durable protection against environmental elements like rain, cold, and intense sunlight. Two coats ensure both durability and a flawless finish. The beautifully stained doors and windows are now ready for reinstallation. Carpenters ensure that stationary panels are securely fitted into the main frame. For the movable doors, a custom-designed sliding mechanism operating on smooth rollers is attached. The craftsmen meticulously align and adjust each door until it glides effortlessly, fitting perfectly within its frame. Before the final flooring layer is laid, the building's electrical network is intricately woven beneath the first layer of the floor. All wiring is neatly housed in special plastic pipes, distributing power to every room. Smaller-sized beams are then precisely fixed on this subfloor, preparing for the top layer of flooring. The space is meticulously cleaned with a vacuum cleaner to ensure no debris remains. Finally, high-quality wood planks, pre-treated to match the interior design, are installed as the final flooring layer. Since the wood has been thoroughly dried, there's no need for expansion gaps, allowing for a seamless wall-to-wall installation. And there it stands, a truly incredible masterpiece of traditional Chinese craftsmanship. Every detail, from the intricate joinery to the warm, inviting finishes, harmonizes perfectly, creating a space of extraordinary beauty and timeless elegance. We hope you enjoyed this detailed journey through the construction of this magnificent wooden house. Make sure to subscribe to BuildCraft for more inspiring projects.